A serum that claims to fade stubborn post-acne pigmentation and redness powered by Advanced Solubilized Azelaic Acid. This is the claim of the serum we are reviewing today. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Varsha. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. Because on this channel, we break down skincare ingredient by ingredient and also suggest healthy recipes that work in real life. Today, we are reviewing the Sol Skin Spot Fade Advanced Repair Serum, retailing at rupees 899, but you can get it for rupees 699 through the link attached below. Before we jump in, this is how I review my serums. I apply them on my bare skin, observe the texture, spread, absorption, and skin feel. Then we break down the formulation and ingredient synergy. Talk about who should use it, who should avoid it, what to layer with it, and what not to. And finally, whether it's Skinlock Holmes approved or not. And a quick challenge for you. If you're someone who doesn't have an attention span issue, take this as your test and watch till the very end because the verdict actually matters here. Let me show you the texture. Okay. So this is how it is. Okay. So it gets absorbed very fast. Okay. Now let's apply the serum. Let's apply the serum first. I usually take 3 to 4 pumps. And I rub it in my palms and then I apply it on my bare skin. Okay, I'll attach the temperature, humidity, and location because serum, how it behaves really matters and depends on the temperature and Indian weather conditions, right? So you can see how it drinks up the whole thing immediately. Okay, it's a very lightweight serum. It's like, a watery sort of a serum, and it can be layered well under sunscreen and makeup. Also, this was the only active ingredient that I had used during my perioral dermatitis, and it was very gentle on my skin. And before we begin, this is not a sponsored video. It is based on how I used it and what my experience was. So let's get into the ingredient breakdown. The hero active ingredient here is Advanced Solubilized Azelaic Acid. You can see it's almost going to complete it. I'm halfway through. The azelaic acid is often described as a jack of all trades, but genuinely a master of some, especially when it comes to acne, redness, and post-acne pigmentation. Biologically, what it does is it inhibits tyrosinase, reduces melanin production, and treats PIH, which is in simple terms dark spots, and PIE, which is in simple terms redness. It calms inflammation and reduces acne. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It also does not cause bacterial resistance, making it suitable for long-term use. Now, here's something most people don't know about azelaic acid. It is notoriously difficult to solubilize. As per what I read, it has poor water solubility. So it needs a specific set of solvents like glycerin, propylene glycol, or even advanced techniques like ionic liquids and specific surfactants or even heat control. Otherwise, what happens is it crystallizes out and reduces the effectiveness of the serum. So a serum that actually manages to keep azelaic acid stable, smooth, and non-gritty is a superior formula as per my judgment. And that's exactly what this serum seems to achieve. Now let's understand what are the supporting actives in this serum. The active is mainly niacinamide, which is at 4% and is well within the approved 5% limit for sensitive skin. It works synergistically with the azelaic acid. It reduces pigmentation, improves the barrier function. It also manages the oil production and supports in acne control. It helps calm redness and inflammation too, is what I felt. This works well because the niacinamide supports the azelaic acid in the barrier function, while azelaic acid works on the pigmentation and the acne. This serum is also enriched with ceramides, panthenol, and allantoin, which repair the barrier and calms the redness. This makes it suitable for even sensitive or acne-prone skin. This serum is fragrance-free, which is great for sensitive skin, but there is a slight plasticky hint to it, which may be due to the mixing of multiple ingredients and solvents to solubilize the azelaic acid. As far as there is no added fragrance, I'm completely okay with it. So it's not harmful. I just mentioned it as a sensory note. Now let's understand who can use it and who should avoid it. This is suitable for any skin type above the age of 18. It is even considered pregnancy safe, but I would suggest that you consult a dermat before using it and always do a patch test. Now, who should be avoiding it? I would ask anyone who has an extremely damaged skin barrier with a lot of redness to avoid it, and anyone who is sensitive to azelaic acid, which is actually very rare, to avoid it. Next, let's understand what actives should not be mixed with azelaic acid for combination to sensitive skin. Avoid azelaic acid with high percentage of vitamin C because it can cause irritation. I would also ask you to avoid azelaic acid with retinol and also azelaic acid with glycolic acid. Please avoid. Now, which are the best combinations? Okay, azelaic acid is great with salicylic acid for controlling the acne, but avoid it if you have a very sensitive skin. Now, azelaic acid with hyaluronic acid and ceramides does a great job in reducing dark spots while plumping up your skin. Now, how should you use it for different skin types? For dry skin people, I would ask you to apply a hydrating toner first. Let it dry down completely. Then apply your azelaic acid. Wait for 2 minutes. Spritz your toner again. Then apply hyaluronic acid and seal with a ceramide-based moisturizer. Now, for combination skin people, apply a toner, wait, apply azelaic acid, wait, spritz again, and apply your hyaluronic acid serums only during the winters. Skip it during the summers. And this is best paired with a kojic acid moisturizer for combination skin people. Now, for oily acne-prone skin people, I would ask you to apply it directly on your dry face. Follow it up with a salicylic acid serum during the humid seasons, and then use a moisturizer only during the winters. Anyone can use it AM or PM, but always follow it up with a sunscreen in daytime. Now, the verdict. This is not a miracle product, but it's a well-formulated, sensible serum. It will take anywhere around 4 to 6 weeks to show results, so be consistent with it. And let's understand what the final Skinlock Holmes verdict is. This is Skinlock Holmes approved. If you use it correctly for the right skin in the right way, it can do a great job. I would certainly try out their other products in the future and be reviewing them, like their moisturizer, sunscreen, etc. And congratulations, you completed the challenge by watching this till the end. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. The product link is attached below. You can email me your queries to the email ID attached below. And please post your valuable comments, your experiences, and what products you want me to review next. Till the next video, take care. Bye-bye.